Audio Jungle.
Right, yes people, Dsgpantha here. Today we are back with another video, and today we're basically going to go over the status of my car, and it's also going to be the first drive with the stage 2 file loaded on from Integrated Engineering. Make sure you go and use my code, link in the description. We're going to show you the brand new intake from them as well. As you can see, it comes all the way into the engine bay, so it's fully original, almost as if it's like similar to the Racing Line one. In my opinion, this is a little bit better. It looks a bit more fancier as well. They do an engine cover that goes over this as well. Well, the cover that goes over the intake, which you can get, and I will be getting the carbon one eventually. But yeah, massive shout out to Integrated Engineering. They have sorted us out with a stage 2 package. The next bit we just need to get on is the intercooler, but we are running their stage 2 map, which is about 340 to 350 high torque with crackles. Obviously we're going to get into the drive in a minute, and I do 100% recommend this. I will be doing a video on obviously installing, you know, the map onto your car if you want to know how to do it. I'll give her a little tickle right now just so you can hear it. But yeah, that's the intake. Obviously there's a lot of things to go through regarding the map and how it's changed the car. As you can probably tell, there's no rev limiter now. That is fully been removed. But yeah, let's enough with the chatting. Let's get into the little drive. Again, Integrated Engineering, big up. Got the stickers on the car. We've also got a new spoiler. Shout out BMS Motorsport. And yeah, she's looking naughty, you know. Like, that is just literally a stunning car right now. So yeah, got side skirts on from CT Carbon, front splitter from CT Carbon, and the rear spoiler is from BMS Motorsport. But yeah, let's get into it and let's give her a little tear. But she's looking handsome, she's looking good. So yeah, let's get into it, and obviously I'll talk to you some of the things about the map that you can do now as well. With this map, it is very interesting. It's different to any other map. Obviously the way you load the file onto this car is done by the IE Integrated Engineering power tool. It's no longer doing it, taking it somewhere. You do it all yourself. Again, I will have a video on how to map your car yourself. We have the stage 2 high torque crackle map on this car with the DSG shifts, and the DSG map is actually, I've changed the RPM shifts is to 3.6k. so you'll see here, let me just show you guys quick. I'm not going to launch it, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So see here, you can see, oh wait, let me, it's not in sport, come on. As you can see, it's, you know, the shift points are higher, but you can actually hear the intake as well. Listen. So yeah, it's sick. But yeah, so that is different. Also we have brake boosting. Again, I'm going to show you in a minute how that works. And we also have crackles, which only come on at about 3k. So the crackles aren't always on. It is only when I'm on here, the mode, and I click sport mode. In eco it doesn't do it, in normal it does, and in sport it does, but in eco it seems to not pop at all. So yeah, let's go for a little drive. So we'll pull off here, and we're gonna go down here. But yeah, if I let off at about, let's say 3k, there you go, you can hear him. So I'll go back up this way, even though this way is so irrelevant, but just so you guys can hear it quick. You can hear the crackles. So they're not, compared to the map that I had before from EcoMax, nothing against EcoMax. Again, this is just that I've obviously changed the map to how it is. But boys, this car, it's a different type of gravy now. Like on a real, this car is on a whole nother different level. And just quickly, I'm going to show you what the brake boosting does. Is this car gonna fuck off? You move, bro. I'm gonna show you what the brake boosting does. So essentially, you want to be at about, let's say, third gear, and and you want to get to about 3k, and then just literally but yeah, as you can see, it's pulling all the way up from there, so it's holding the boost at about 3k. You can hear it go, that's it spooling, it spools up, and then within about, I don't know, 2 seconds, just let go of the brake and you tear it. That is basically how it works, but you don't want to be pushing it too hard all the time. Again, I'll do one more because I'm still getting used to it myself. But yeah, wow. Mate, what is that? That is so tapped, it's unreal. Like mate, it is so tapped, I can't even tell you how quick this car is now. It's actually like, oh, it's feds. There's police. Why has there always got to be police everywhere? Like, they've already just heard me ragging it as well. Wasn't me. Why is he acting like he was gonna come and get me? Like, seriously, bro, what did I do to you? I didn't even floor it with you there. Right, let's cut down here. Move, you dickhead. I need to go. I'm not hanging around. But yeah, let's listen to the crackles again. Get over, you snog. Like, what is this car? This is... No, I'm sorry, yeah, but this car is actually... Like, what the hell? What is going on? This car is too quick. Oi! Come on! You little... She's f***ing it. She's fucking... Oh, here we go, people. Karens. Oh, they're gonna look at me like a weirdo. Thank you. She's looking at me like, look at this twat with a GoPro on his head. No, what is that? That, come on. What is that? The way that talks there was just... Mate, she's trying to kill me. I love it. Come on, man. This car is absolutely dirty. Bro, just listen to that. No traction in any gear. Oh, did you hear that pop then as well? Let's give it a little tickle. Oh, we're in an estate, fuck, you know. I don't even know my way around here. Come on, man. Move. Why you gotta ruin the vibe? That never used to be there. That used to be like a straight, but... As you can hear, the pop's fucking loud. But they're not like... I wouldn't say they're like stupid loud, but they're like, they're noticeable, if that makes sense. Like, you're gonna hear them. But yeah, nah, they're calm. They're totally calm. And again, brake boosting helps with this map so much. And then again, you get the RPM shifts. I think you get up to 6.9k now that you can rev to. And obviously when you're in neutral, you literally have no You have no control of how loud it revs. I'm gonna be here all day, mate. Come on, man. Fucking move. Let's go, bro. I'm trying to get active. But yeah, you have no, in neutral you can rev it all the way up, so you don't necessarily have to stay at like 2k RPM when you're revving it, because I know normally you get the soft limiter which stops you from revving it all the way up, but now you can rev it all the way up 7k when you're parked, and it sounds sick. My mate George last night, he said that it did spit a little flame, so I don't know if it actually does, but like, just listen to how the pops are actually perfect, because they're not, you know, they don't last forever. They're not like bang 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 bang. Obviously if you tap the throttle it's gonna go again, but they're not consistently on and it's not annoying, so it's actually not that bad. And again, thank you to Integrated Engineering for sponsoring the channel. They honestly, Zane that works there, he's an absolute legend. I love him to pieces. He has sorted me out. And obviously shout out to the founders. They're both brothers as well, which is wicked. They're an American brand, so yeah, big up IE. They're now officially sponsors of the channel. Obviously we're going to get the intercooler on in the next couple of weeks or so. Once we've got that on, we're going to get it dynoed and see what power it's actually making. And yeah, she's gonna pull like a train. So I'm happy with the car right now. It is so smooth. Again, we've got the coilovers on as well. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Cool little POV drive for you guys for once. And yeah, every Sunday at 6 PM I'm gonna be back on the videos. Sunday 6 PM every Sunday without a miss. So yeah, next video we'll be installing the map on the car. I know I've done it in a bit of a backwards way, but I just wanted to get out and load the map on, because the map from EcoMax wasn't, it was all right, but there was a little niggity bits that I wasn't happy with and they couldn't sort. So without further ado, massive shout out to Integrated Engineering. Use my code, you get 15% off. Yeah, massive love to them. Again, in the description you can find all their parts, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
Audio Jungle.